Hi, this is Matt Lippin with Okoboji Property Group at Remax Lakes Realty in Spirit Lake. Today we're down in Milford at 808 Q Avenue. From the front door, take a right and come into a nice open area. You've got lots of kitchen storage, updated appliances, nice cabinetry, really good use of windows. Vaulted ceiling. Come and look at it from the other angle. This home was completely remodeled back in about 2010. So things are pretty updated. It's a half bath here off the kitchen. Coming down the hall, you've got the laundry here on the main level. You've got a really good sized double attached garage. Single detached garage out back. There's a nice big deck. Extended driveway for extra parking. You've also got mature trees in the back. It's a nice private setting. Main level master suite. Got the vaulted ceilings in here as well. Plenty of space in here for a king size bed. You've got two closets. There's one. And then in the bathroom, got a full bath. His and her sinks. And the second closet. Now we'll go down the stairs. Two more bedrooms down here. Good closet space in the bedrooms. Utility room on the left, and another full bath down here as well. So we've got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car attached garage, plus the single detached garage. Again, the address is 808 Q Avenue. Feel free to check it out on okobojipropertygroup.com or give me a call to view the property, 712-330-0604. This one is priced at $174,900. Thanks.